Asaba-Benin Onitsha Express Road always go from bad to worse whenever it rains. The reconstruction of this road started middle of last year 2025, and up till now the construction is still ongoing but very sluggish. Up till now they have only managed to partially finish the side leading to Onitsha, while the path heading towards Benin remains untouched. It's another raining season again, and that untouched part have gone from bad to worse. And today we are currently at that location to show you what that particular angle is looking like. So this is before Upsas makes around that Okwe. That is where we started this filming from. So I'm turning around so we can start heading towards Jamok and Ezene axis. So you see what that road is currently looking like, and from what you can see on the video, you will notice that there's no motorists applying on this particular lane. Before, that particular part where the construction is ongoing was not fully opened, but towards this rainy season, immediately this particular angle became very bad. I think they now fully opened that part. That is why motorists can now be able to apply on them through and flow. So you can see for yourself the looks of this angle. So motorists are no longer using this particular area. The last time I walked past towards this road, I noticed a heavy truck that was stuck here. The truck almost failed, but something happened, and they weighed it somehow. And right now they have removed the truck, and that's why we cannot see it here. So continue with the video and see the looks of this road for yourself. If you watch through some of my old videos I've made concerning this particular road, we have been always emphasizing on the importance of a drainage system along this particular road. But it seems like they are not ready for that particular one. Even this particular new construction have no drainage system. If they will still do drainage, I'm yet to know. But right now there is no presence of drainage around there. Honestly, this particular road need very big drainage system like that one you can find within Ebuka down to Headbridge axis. That is what this particular area need. It need a very big drainage system that will connect this particular area down to the river, that River Niger. That is what this particular area needs, because we are just entering raining season. We are not yet inside the main raining season. We are just just start up a fresh, and the road is already looking this way. Once we get to the middle of this June, or maybe towards July, and the rest of them, how do you think this particular area will looks like? That section I showed you where there is flood on the road, that place is very very deep, like extremely deep. Like if any motorists attempt to go there, you will see how deep it is. So some of this particular drainage you are seeing here has no location. It doesn't channel to anywhere. They are just there. It has dead end on both sides. So there's a time they did this kind of thing towards that uh, area where there's that flood on that road. They did this kind of thing around that place, and right now I can tell you that flood, or should I say sand, has covered everything. You can't even notice that something was done around there. So that is another biggest problem within this area. And the most important thing is that this particular project, the project within this area, don't even supposed to take time. This is the kind of project, they need to speed up. They need to do this particular road with speed because of the condition of it whenever it rains. But it seems like they are not even serious about the construction. So that is why the whole thing is looking like this. So let's just watch out and be looking and see how it goes by the time we enter the middle of June or towards July. Let's see how it goes. This particular area is leading to former Federal College of Education, which has been moved to its permanent place along that Ibuzo road. This particular road is about to be washed away by flood, but I've toured the road before, but not during raining season. So if you go there right now, like if you tour that road towards down side, you will notice what flood is currently doing there. Honestly, Asaba need rehabilitation. Entire Asaba need a very good drainage. A very good drainage, like underground drainage that will connect entire Asaba down to River Niger, to save the city. Currently, Asaba is not safe from flood. They are not safe from flood. Once it starts raining, if you tour around Asaba, you will notice that there are only few places that are safe from flooding. Every other area is being flooded, especially along this express route and other axes inside town and elsewhere. So it needs a very good underground drainage system that will connect every part of it down to River Niger. So guys, tell us your thoughts via the comment section concerning this road. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe, click on the like button, click on the notification bell. Let us know your thought. Do you think this road construction is moving with speed or is moving sluggishly? What do you think about the construction, and what is the best approach to this flood happening along Asaba-Benin Expressway? What do you think is the best approach to it? Do you think big drainage system can actually do a better job, or they should not do any drainage at all? Maybe the concrete road construction will do its best. What is your thought? Let us know via the comment sections. Don't forget to let us know.
Oh no no, Fugoni fetine chukwu no baka. Ebele chukwu ga sasa. Otego nwoke bido bibe n'iju anya o. Malaga mapasa no bona gaga. Imana mena mana sigo n'uzi ije o. Ụfọdụ kacha kwete no nyenye. Biko chukwu bịa ma onye ma niile eme mma o. Aga mapụ n'ezigbo onye ama. Asị m ifugo n'ife tinyere chukwu n'ọbaka. Ebele chukwu ga sasa. Otego nwoke bidoro bibe n'iju anya o. Mana aga mapasa n'ụgbọ na-aga. Ịmana be na gbana sigo n'ụzọ ije o. Ụfọdụ kacha kwete nọ n'eme. Biko chukwu bịa ma onye ọma niile eme mma o. Ama m na aga mapụ n'ezigbo onye ama.
This is Jamok Express. By my back is the Jamok free station. So from here we head down to Ezene stroke Bonsak Junction, where we'll be calling it a day. So guys, this road it did not continue like this to and fro. Actually, the dilapidated sections that we are currently watching started around before the Officers Mix, or should I say, before Abraka Junction, then down to after this Ezene axis. That is where that is extremely bad. The rest of them are bad, but not like this. You know, when I mean bad, this side is very, very bad. The motorists cannot apply on them, but the other side of it, you know, after this axis that we're currently filming, those places are good for motorists to apply on them. And after these particular sections, you know, you notice that some motorists are now rejoining back to the road again, but we do not get to that section. So once we get to Izinei stroke Bonsak Junction, we'll be calling it a day for today. So guys, don't forget to give us your own take via the comment section. Honestly, this whole thing is not sounding funny. Even I've made a lot of video. The last coverage I did about this road, I told you guys that the construction is not looking serious at all. It's not looking serious, and it's becoming more clearer right now. The construction is not, you know, getting serious out there. I read something online today concerning this project, and it seems like it's a PPP project, kind of partnership stroke something something. But I'm yet to be clear about that. So just continue with the video. Don't forget to give us your own thoughts via the comment sections, like I said earlier. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, give us your take via the comment section. Like I said earlier, do you think constructing a drainage system, channeling them to the Onitsha bridgehead is the best, or the concrete road construction can do everything? Let us know your thoughts via the comment sections. Bye. Do have a wonderful day.